Good morning. Is this seat taken?
Good morning. No, please sit here.
Thank you. Do you come often?
Yes, almost every morning.
Nice. The coffee smells great.
It does. Their latte is amazing.
I'll try that then.
Good choice. Want something to eat?
Maybe a croissant. What about you?
I like their pancakes. Very soft.
Sounds good. I'll try that too.
You'll love it. The butter melts nicely.
Oh, that sounds perfect.
Would you like to order together?
Sure, that's faster.
Excuse me. We're ready to order.
2 lattes and 2 pancakes, please.
And 1 croissant too, thank you.
Great. I'm really hungry now.
Same here. Let's enjoy breakfast.
Hi there. Do you work here?
Hello. Yes, how can I help?
I'm looking for a blue shirt.
Sure. What size do you wear?
Medium, please.
Here's one in medium size.
Oh, it looks nice. Is it cotton?
Yes, 100% cotton. Very soft.
Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Thanks, I'll be right back.
How does it fit?
Perfect. I really like it.
Great. It's also on sale today.
Oh, really? That's good news.
Yes, 20% off this week.
I'll take it, please.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station.
Oh, it's not far from here.
Great. Which way should I go?
Go straight, then turn left.
Is it near the park?
Yes, right beside the big park.
Thank you. Is it walking distance?
About 10 minutes on foot.
Perfect. I can walk then.
Watch for the traffic lights.
Got it. Is there a sign?
Yes, you'll see a blue sign.
That helps a lot, thank you.
No problem, happy to help.
You're very kind.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Hey, long time no see.
Hi. Glad you could come.
Thanks for inviting me today.
My pleasure. Come on in.
Your home looks so cozy.
Thanks. I just redecorated it.
Really? The colors look nice.
Yeah, I wanted something bright.
I like the plants too.
Thank you. I love greenery.
Do you live here alone?
No, my sister lives here too.
Oh, nice. Where is she?
She's in the kitchen cooking.
Wow, it smells delicious already.
She makes the best pasta ever.
I can't wait to try it.
You'll love it, I promise.
Thanks again for having me.
Anytime. You're always welcome here.
Good afternoon. Do you take walk-ins?
Hello. Yes, we do. Please sit.
Great. I need a haircut today.
Sure. How would you like it?
Just a trim, not too short.
Got it. Same style as before?
Yes, please. Maybe a bit lighter.
No problem. I'll wash your hair first.
Okay, that sounds relaxing.
The water is warm enough?
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
All right, let's start trimming now.
You're really good with scissors.
Thanks. I've done this for years.
It's looking great already.
I'm glad you like it.
How much do I owe you?
$15, please.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
You too. See you next time. Hello. I need to send a letter.
Hi there. Domestic or international?
It's going to Japan, please.
Okay, that's international mail.
How much is the postage?
It's $3 for standard mail.
That's fine. Here's the envelope.
Thank you. Do you want tracking?
Yes, please. I'd like to track it.
All right, I'll add that service.
How long will it take?
Around 7 to 10 days.
That's quick. Perfect timing.
Would you like some stamps too?
Yes, 2 sheets, please.
Here you go. Anything else today?
No, that's all. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye for now.
Goodbye. See you again soon.
Good morning. I have an appointment.
Good morning. What's your name, please?
I'm Sarah Wilson at 10 o'clock.
Yes, please take a seat.
Thank you. Is the doctor busy?
Just finishing with another patient.
No problem, I can wait.
Would you like some water?
That's kind, yes, please.
Here you go. The doctor is ready now.
Great, thank you very much.
Please go into room 3.
Hello, doctor. How are you?
I'm good. What brings you here?
I've had a bad cough lately.
Let's check your temperature first.
Okay, is it serious?
No, just a mild infection.
That's a relief, thank you.
I'll give you some medicine.
Thanks, doctor. I'll take care.
Hi there. Has the bus come yet?
Hello. No, it's running late.
Oh, again? It's always late.
Yeah, traffic's really bad today.
Where are you heading to?
I'm going downtown. You?
Same. I work near the mall.
Oh, nice. I shop there often.
It's a busy place every weekend.
True. Do you take this bus daily?
Yes, every morning at 7.
I do too. Small world.
Really? Maybe we've met before.
Maybe. Oh, here comes the bus.
Finally. I thought it wouldn't come.
Let's get in before it's full.
Good idea. You first, please.
Thanks. Do you want to sit together?
Sure, that'd be nice.
Great. Morning rides are better with company.
Hello. Can I order a drink?
Hi. Of course. What would you like?
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Small or large?
Small, please. And one muffin too.
Sure. Chocolate or blueberry?
Chocolate, please.
Great choice. Would you like it hot?
Yes, hot is perfect.
Anything else for you today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, your total is $5.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Perfect, I'll wait here.
Here's your cappuccino and muffin.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Enjoy. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks again.
See you next time.
Hi. Do you know where milk is?
Hello. Yes, it's in aisle 3.
Thank you. And eggs?
Aisle 4, next to the bread.
Great, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Shopping today?
Yes, just a few things.
I like quick shopping trips too.
It's easier than big shopping days.
True. What else do you need?
Some apples and bananas, please.
Fruits are over there by the wall.
Thanks. Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every week.
Me too. Prices are good here.
Definitely. Fresh products as well.
I love this place.
Me too. Always clean and friendly.
All right, I think I'm done.
Great. See you next time.